These are the dynamic LED side markers in white, and they are available for all 2024 and newer Mustangs at home. Now you guys should be checking out the dynamic LED options for your ride if you are looking to smoke everything out on your S650 and replace those boring stalkers with a full LED option, both front and rear, topped off with that dark smoked aggressive lens, all for right around that mid to high $200 price point. Now diving headfirst into our features block here, guys, let's talk about what you are getting with the dynamic options, and two biggies jump right out at me. First and foremost, that bright white LED lighting. Now this is going to replace the dull and dim factory options with 2 rows of high-powered white LEDs, making for a bright appearance, but also a very unique appearance at the same time. Now, covering those LEDs will be the dark smoke lenses, as you guys can see right here. So when the light or the markers are off, you get that smoke look, which looks great, but then when everything is fired up, you get that really sharp light that I think a lot of guys will really dig. Now, if you are looking to smoke out all of the lighting on your S650, the dynamic kit is certainly gonna help get you there, while also providing you with a lot of lighting firepower at the same time. Now this is a great time to segue into our construction block here, and the dynamic markers do feature OE quality materials throughout, and in this case that means a durable automotive grade ABS plastic for the rear or the housing itself, and then again that is topped off with a smoked polycarbonate lens. Now those modern LEDs are located in a water resistant housing, good enough to achieve an IP67 waterproof rating, which is rather impressive. Now guys, these things do feature a plug and play install, very simple stuff, and even though they are given that really dark smoked aggressive look, they are still given a DOT and SAE stamp of approval, so they are legal for use in all 50 states. Moving into price point, and the dynamic options will land you in that mid to high $200 range for all 4 markers here, which is going to be one of your more premium options on the site for the S650 at home, but I would say admittedly, definitely one of the nicer options that I've encountered from a build standpoint, and again, they are backed by that pretty stout 2-year warranty. All right, last but not least, let's talk install. And as I mentioned earlier, guys, you're looking at a plug and play job here. So therefore the site's gonna call it a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, taking you an hour at absolute most to complete from start to finish. Now to give you a better idea of how this one might go down on your S650 at home, let's throw it out to the shop for our detailed walkthrough and tool breakdown.
For this install, you just need a pry tool. Today I'm gonna be installing front and rear marker lights on our Mustang. Let's get into it. First, you're going to want to grab a pry tool, preferably a plastic one. We're going to insert it at the top of the marker. Pull back. You want to unclip it. After you've done that, you're going to want to locate the correct side marker on the back. They're marked, so this one says right hand, this one's for the front. You're going to plug that in, flip it in, and then clip it in. The process for all of these marker lights is going to be the same. So after you're done installing this, you're going to repeat the same process on the other 3 corners. Alrighty, that about wraps up this review and install of the dynamic LED side markers in white, smoked, for a 2024 and up Mustang. Thank you for watching, and remember, for everything Mustang, keep it right here at AmericanMuscle.com.